How do you understand when the market will go up or down? कैसे पता लगेगा कि मार्केट कब ऊपर जाएगा और कब नीचे? How do we get to know that will the market will take a reversal or not? And most importantly, how to make money from that reversal? These are the questions that most people in the market ask me. That can we know when the stock market will go up or down? Can we make money from it? And you know that the answer to all of these questions is a big yes. It is possible to understand when the market will take a reversal. When will it change the direction? When the market will go up or down? That's right, it is possible to understand and analyze it using a concept called as reversal candlestick pattern. You will see in this video some type of candlestick pattern that will help you analyze when the market will take a reversal and how can you make money from that. So you don't want to skip this video, make sure you watch it till the end. And if you get any valuable knowledge from this video, if this video adds any value to your trading, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. And so, I welcome you to Tradingfyive. This is the channel that provides you with various informative content on the stock market and technical analysis. And by not wasting much time, let's start with the video. So let us first start with understanding what do you actually mean by a reversal. You see, reversal occurs in the market when there is a change in the direction of price, change in market's direction. We can say that it is an event wherein, for example, let's say an uptrend changes back to the downtrend. This is what is called as reversal, the change in the trend of market, the change in the direction of price. And even you can analyze when the market will take a reversal, when it will change its direction, its trend using the candlestick patterns. And in this video, I will tell you 6 candlestick pattern, the 6 reversal candlestick pattern that are mostly seen in the market while using chart, and you can analyze them with proper accuracy. So the first reversal candlestick pattern is bullish engulfing pattern. And as you can see on the screen, this is how the bullish engulfing pattern looks like. And this is a type of bullish reversal pattern that indicates a positive reversal in the market, which means that the downtrend will turn into uptrend. And the first candle in this pattern is a red bearish candle, which indicates that currently in the market, the bears are most active. They are controlling the market and driving the price down. And after the red candle, a green bullish candle is formed, crossing the open and close point of the red candle, which indicates that the bulls have now taken back the control from the bears. And the bulls are the one who will be driving the market now. And after this candle, a good uptrend or bullish movement can be expected in the stock. But one thing really necessary for this reversal pattern is that this pattern should be formed after a downtrend. That's right, bullish engulfing pattern indicates the change in the trend, the change in downtrend to uptrend. So it is necessary that it has to be formed after a downtrend, followed by a bullish uptrend where you can look for buying the stock. The bullish engulfing pattern that forms in the middle of the trend, in maybe sideways trend or in an uptrend, has a less potential and significance of reversal. Okay, so our next pattern is bearish engulfing pattern. And that's how it will look on the chart, which is just opposite to the bullish engulfing. The first candle in this pattern is a green bullish candle, which would indicate that the overall control of the market is in the hands of bull. But after that, suddenly a red bearish candle is formed, where the bears have established their control in the market, and they will be driving the price down. So now you know this is the type of pattern which indicates a reversal from uptrend to downtrend. So this type of pattern should strictly be formed after an uptrend. And when the pattern is confirmed, that is when you get the signal of downtrend, you will look for selling the stock. And these two patterns you can say are the pairs of reversal pattern. First one is the bullish engulfing, which indicates a positive reversal. Next is the bearish engulfing, which indicates a negative reversal. The third candlestick pattern in our list is morning star pattern. And this is the type of pattern that is used to identify a bullish reversal in the market. And that's how the pattern usually looks like. Firstly, this pattern has a red bearish candle, which of course indicates that the overall market is bearish. And after that, you can see a candle which is called as doji. And if in case you don't know what is a doji candle, let me tell you that it is a type of candle which has a very small body but a huge wick. That's right. As you can see on the screen, the body of this candle is really tiny and it has a huge shadow, a huge wick. And this type of candle indicates an indecision in the market. And what do you mean by indecision is that it is a situation where neither the bulls or bears are controlling the market. The bullish pressure and the selling pressure on the market is almost the same, due to which the market cannot figure out whether to go with bullish side or bearish side. And you can see after the doji, a green bullish candle is formed, which indicates the bullish view of the market. The bulls have taken control over the market and the bears are in a losing position. And now you can easily figure out the logic of this pattern. First a red candle which shows the bearish pressure, and then an indecision candle which is doji, which shows that there is a battle between the bulls and bears. And finally a bullish candle which shows that the bears have lost the battle and the bulls are driving the market now. And one thing really necessary about this pattern is that it has to be formed after a downtrend. If this pattern forms in a sideways range or in an uptrend, it seriously has no meaning. It is a positive reversal, a bullish reversal pattern, so it has to form after a downtrend. And once this pattern is formed, we can expect an uptrend from the stock and look for buying it. That's all about the morning star pattern. The next one is the evening star pattern, and this type of pattern is just opposite to the morning star pattern, and as you can see on the screen, that's how it usually looks like. A green candle which indicates that the overall view of the market is bullish, followed by a doji which indicates indecision in the market, which means at this time, at this candle, the bulls and bears are competing for the control of the market. And finally, a red bearish candle is formed, which indicates that the bears have won this competition by using their selling power. But just like morning star pattern, one thing really necessary for evening star pattern is that it has to be formed after an uptrend. As it indicates a bearish reversal in the market, it has to be followed by an uptrend. And after that, you can expect a downtrend in the stock and look for selling it. And let me tell you that the morning star pattern and evening star pattern are the most powerful reversal candlestick pattern. When you find this candle with maybe proper uptrend or downtrend, there are high chances of reversal in the trend. So understanding them properly, analyzing them properly is a really important task if you want to completely understand the concept of reversals. Our next candlestick pattern is bullish harami pattern. And this is how the pattern usually looks like. A candle which is formed within the body of another candle. It has a red bearish candle followed by an inside bullish candle, which indicates that the control is transferred from bears to bulls. And if you are watching this video up till now, you must know that this type of candlestick pattern should be formed after a downtrend. And when this pattern is properly confirmed, that is when this pattern shows an uptrend, we will buy the stock. And one thing about this pattern is that most people in the market compare this pattern with the bullish engulfing pattern. Let me tell you that these two patterns are completely different. In bullish engulfing pattern, the present candle breaks the open and close of the previous candle. But in bullish harami pattern, the present candle is formed within the body of the previous candle. Just remember this so that you can properly differentiate between these two candlestick pattern. The last candlestick pattern of this video is bearish harami pattern. And this is exactly how it looks like. The green candle which indicates the bullishness of the stock or the market, followed by a red bearish candle which is formed inside the body of the green candle, which tells us that the bears have captured the control of the market. And as you know, once this pattern is formed after an uptrend, there are high chances of its reversal and we can expect a downtrend in that stock. So after confirmation of the downtrend, you can maybe look for selling the stock. Okay, so these are all of the candlestick pattern that we learned in this video. You can maybe quickly note them down or take a screenshot of it. And if you find such candlestick pattern which is followed by proper trend, along with confirmation, you can look for trading on that pattern with proper risk management and trade management. And if in case you don't have any capital, you can at least practice figuring out this candlestick pattern on the charts and testing the accuracy by yourself. I would recommend you a software which I personally use, that is Tradingfyive. You can sign up for a free account using the below link. And if you want to open your Demat account with India's leading brokers, Upstox and Angel Broking, their link is also given in the description or you can find it in the comments. So lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible and to not miss such many contents on stock market and technical analysis, make sure you subscribe to Tradingfyive and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.